The York County prosecutor is worried that defendants could be released because of a grand jury investigation.
Defense attorneys have questioned how quickly 900 indictments were passed through. Reporter Greg Susskind spoke to both sides, and Greg, they're pointing the finger at each other on this.
And defense attorneys who filed this motion say that hundreds of people who've been arrested are being denied due process. Prosecutors say that's not the case, and they're concerned that if these indictments are thrown out, some people could be released from jail. It was unusual, a courtroom full of lawyers just watching. 27 of them signed on to this motion asking a judge to throw out more than 900 indictments against a lot of people.
We've got 418 people represented in this courtroom.
On June 14th, the grand jury met here for 10 hours and true-billed all 904 charges they heard. Defense lawyers claim that amounts to just 39 seconds spent reviewing each charge. Today, they called up a Rock Hill police officer and a sheriff's deputy who each presented hundreds of indictments that day, arguing that since they didn't personally investigate those cases, they only knew about them what the paperwork said.
With the exception of the 29 cases where you were the lead investigator, you were relying completely on what was prepared by other people, correct?
Correct.
Prosecutors called the whole issue ridiculous. Solicitor Kevin Brackett says the facts of a simple roadside DUI arrest, such as the results of a blood alcohol test, can be explained in seconds, and most cases need little time to show probable cause for the charges, which is all a grand jury does.
They take that faulty assumption and generate this 39-second statistical conclusion that they then use sort of like a drunk uses a lamppost for support rather than illumination.
And the judge said today he will rule on this issue in about 2 weeks. We're live in York County. Greg Susskind, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
In June, the York County grand jury heard about double the number of cases it usually hears. Solicitor Kevin Brackett said that's because there was a backlog of cases and they needed to be presented to clear it.